In this video, we will see how item master is created. Please note following carefully before creating item code. Item code or name or model number or SKU are same synonyms in the system. You can type up to 100 characters in item code or name. If the item code already exists, system will show on right hand side. Do not use any special characters. You can only use minus, hyphen or dot. Example, if 5 inch or 2 feet should be written in full. Do not enter empty spaces at the beginning or end of item name. Item code or name should be unique, cannot be duplicate. Item code cannot be deleted later. Item code cannot be edited also later. Hence, when you create item code, you should be sure of the item code or name. System will search on any 3 characters of item code or name. System will also search 3 characters of barcode column. Please enter the HSN code. A category will appear. Please select the category. System will maintain stock for item code or name. Whatever entered in item code or name will appear in the invoice or any document or report. Sales order booking or invoicing will be done for item code or name. Hence, create item code or name as per customer requirement. Item code or name is common for whole ERP. If item code or name wrongly created, you have to make it inactive. But you cannot delete. Category will not appear in invoice or any document. Only HSN will appear in invoice. Without category, you cannot use the item code or name in the system. Better to type all item code or name in capital letters. In all documents they will appear as you type. It is always better that item codes are created by only one person in an organization, so that a pattern can be maintained. Item master is the backbone of any organization. Hence, please take enough precautions while creating item code. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.